Hi everyone, so we are going to ask 12 Ayalas. Okay, oh, ang ganda. What do you say about the corruption here in the Philippines?
Akala ko bisa ko ang pangalan niya. What's your name?
What's your name?
What is name?
My name is Jason Gamal. And my opinion about the corruption here in the Philippines, I guess it is sad, super yes, because I can't believe that a lot of money being corrupt by others. Oh, like this. Nepo baby. I can't imagine that we can sleep without thinking about our money. Yes. So, ikaw, what can you say about the corruption here in the Philippines happening right now? So you, what can you say about the corruption here in the Philippines?
Sadly, many people, they, nararanasan nila ang mga pagkasakit ng mga tao na kailangan nilang pera ng bayan, kailangan natin. Thank you.
Doon ka sa iba pa. Hi, Micaela. So what can you say about the corruption here in the Philippines?
Ibalik ang pera ng taong bayan.
Okay, ibalik ang pera ng taong bayan. So, you ganda, what can you say about the corruption here in the Philippines?
Let me give her a kiss.
Yes.
Let me give her a kiss.
Hi, Shane. So, what can you say about the corruption?
Bulok ng sistema ng gobyerno, tapos ang mga tao mayong magbabago sa pilipilingan.
Si Marian, interviewin mo, dali.
So ganda,
What can you say about the corruption here in the Philippines happening right now, Abe? What can you say? Hindi mo pwedeng ka ba? Magsipag ka na rin. So, what can you say about the corruption here in the Philippines happening right now? Yeah. This one. B. Oh, kuya, brother. What can you say about the corruption? No, wait. Oh, go. Kuya Tupad. What can you say about the corruption?
Corruption ngayon, napakahirap talaga. Kasi sa mga tao,
Oo. Kuya? Oh, go. Kuya, what can you say about the corruption now?
napakahirap na ng buhay, yung mga corrupt na yan. Mga hindi pa natuto. Ang dami na lang mga ninako sa atin, yung mga tawag dyan, yung ating mga tax na binabayad sa kanila. Sila yung gumagamit yun eh. Kaya tayo naghihirap dito sa Pilipinas. Yun lamang at sana makulong sila at mawalan sila ng buhay.
Thank you, Kuya. So, ikaw, Kuya, what can you say about the corruption?
Wala na po akong masasabi.
May mga babies ka ba?
Yeah.
Sa IBM. Ulit. Ganda, what can you say about the corruption here in the Philippines, Kinemi po? Ikulong ang mga kurakot. Okay. Ikaw, Angge, what can you say about the corruption? Ikulong. Monkey! So that's lang po. Sana makulong ang mga kurakot at matupad ang sinasabi ni Cara David. Mamatay lahat ng sangkot sa kurakot. Yeah. Ano mo na? Tawagin mo na ang camera.